Hi everyone, my name is Łukasz, I'm from Fsas Technologies. I'm today together with Andrew and Adrian from NetApp. We are in beautiful Munich in our Fsas headquarters, and we are here to unbox the newest NetApp ASA A30 system. I hope this will be beneficial for all of us.
Łukasz, thanks for having us. Andrew, let's go get the box.
Alright, so guys, thanks for carrying the box in for me. So let's get it open.
Alright.
Brilliant.
Unboxed. So Adrian, please tell us what's next.
Let's start with the obvious. What we have here is the brand new ASA A30, all SAN array, so optimized for SAN workloads. We have this beautiful machine here in 2 rack units with a brand new bezel looking amazing. Roughly 5 petabyte in an effective capacity that you can put into the box. Let's just pull off that beautiful bezel. Have a look underneath. What we see here, it's equipped with 8 disks in a starting configuration. Those are empty. 3.8 terabyte in this case, TLC drives, modular, hot swappable, just a beautiful machine. Let's have a look at the rear side. So what we can see here at the back are the 2 controller units that we have in this enclosure. We see the 2 HA interconnects, so meaning there is no backplane or any kind of complexity, very cleaned up. We can just swap the modules and also allow a very simple lifecycle and refresh. We see beside the HA interconnects the management ports, which we can find in the central part, and then the front-end ports for the host connectivity and our ultra-efficient titanium certified power supplies. So let's maybe have a look inside.
Yeah, let's go.
So now that we've opened it, we see the beauty inside. Let's go through the components. Let's start with the CPU, 16 cores. Per controller, we have 64 gig of RAMs, PCI slots, Gen 5 for expansion cards for connecting additional storage. And for front-end connectivity, in this case here also the cluster interconnect, front-end connectivity till 100 gig in Ethernet and 64 with fiber channel. Right over here, 5 double fans for the cooling, and the big battery protecting our non-volatile RAM, and a power supply next to it.
Łukasz, thank you very much for hosting us today. It's been a great day. We've looked at the ASA A30, we've pulled the components apart, we've done some cabling. It's been a great partnership between NetApp and
Fsas Technologies.
Thank you, Łukasz.
Thank you.